guys, I finally found the Starbucks strawberry acai. It has been months. But I found strawberry, mango, and the lime watermelon that I tried. And I'm like, do I get 1, 2, or all 5? Let's not go that crazy. I mean, they are $10. Okay, I'm getting 2. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Smell test. It smells like it. I have very high hopes. I tried the mango dragon fruit and the lime watermelon months ago. They tasted both. The lime watermelon isn't Starbucks, but mango dragon fruit tasted exactly the same. Don't forget to dilute it. And of course, ice. Finally, strawberries. Just a little bit. Let's see if it tastes the same. Yep,